Experiment activity, making starfish with Sharky Class. What's inside the blue ocean? At Kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool, our baby shark tank, Sharky Class, 4 to 5 years old, enjoyed an exciting science experiment, creating adorable starfish and embarking on a fun ocean exploration journey right inside the classroom. How did the activity go? Children chose their favorite ocean colors, blue, purple, orange, yellow. They mixed, poured into molds, and shaped cute starfish. They carefully observed the changes, eagerly waiting for the results. Cheers and excitement filled the room when the starfish appeared in their hands. Exploring the blue ocean, what did children learn? The ocean is home to starfish, fish, and coral. Children learned about marine creatures and their habitats. They practiced teamwork, sharing, and taking turns. They developed scientific thinking, creativity, and observation skills. Sharky Class moments. Curious eyes, full of focus. Bright smiles, proudly showing their creations. Learning without pressure, playing while growing smarter. Every experiment is a little adventure into the world of knowledge. Parents, would you like your child to learn through hands-on experiences and explore science and the blue ocean in such a fun way? Comment below and let Baby Shark know. Hashtag #MamNonBabir, hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag Sharky Class, hashtag Science Experiment, hashtag Starfish Making, hashtag Ocean Exploration, hashtag Learning Through Play, hashtag Fun Learning, hashtag Preschool Life, hashtag Baby Shark.
Thank you.